What's up, everybody? Today we got a door that makes a little bit of a noise in this hinge. I'm gonna put it up there and see if we can't hear it. Just a small creak. The problem is those hinges are not perfectly aligned. Most of the time, that's all it's going to take. The other problem, like I said, the problem is not that it's too tight or this or that or whatever. It's that these two hinges are not aligned correctly. So, if that didn't work, I would loosen all three on this side, all three on this side, and then just hand tighten those to make sure that this is then going to be aligned properly. Most of the time, those two things right there are going to solve any problems with the squeaky hinge. Let me know if you got a squeaky hinge.